Starlit HTX back with another video. We got a 2018 Range Rover HSE. Stay tuned to see how to take apart the interior and remove the headliner. Peace. One last thing I forgot to mention, we put 550 stars in this, beautifully asserted and scouted in the headliner. And one last thing, don't forget to follow Starlit HTX on Instagram. That's Starlit_HTX. Buy one, get one free today.
We are taking an A-pillar out the Range Rover, so you get our little pry tool. You kind of pry underneath this.
We'll take off the airbag, little
airbag cap, and from there there's a bolt. I got an 8mm socket on it. You're gonna go in. After removing the airbag cap, you just take out the bolt, and from there you should be able to go ahead and remove the A-pillar. Get your fingers in, pry it in the back, and just pull these clips. And then you pull up, that's done.
Here's the pillar, there's a clip, and there's a bolt that goes right into it.
All right, taking off the handlebar. That's what you don't want to do. Removing the handlebar. What Torx is that?
230.
T30.
That's it.
All right, let's think about the cap for the sun visor. Top cap comes off easy. It's gonna be the same Torx, T30. All right, the back one too. All right, and there's another Torx right here. It's already open. You don't have to move a cap. So there's a clip right there. Kind of want to twist that and pinch it, with the red tool or any that's on the top as well. Pinch it inwards, and from there it just drops. And then just the wire. All right, so what you want to do is just push in. That comes right out. All right, finish up the front, all the way to the back.
You guys want to play with
All right, taking apart the pillar now. Just unhooking
taking it apart. We're just untucking
it, okay? It's waterproof trim, Range Rover.
Range Rover. You just gotta work it with your hand.
And just like that, it's unhooked. All right, there's the airbag, comes right out. You want to use an 8mm.
As the front pillars.
All right, here we are taking off the C pillar. We've already moved the bolt. Just clips out, just like the rest of the panels we did, and then you'll see full axis, and there's the clips one, and there's the bolt. The other side clips too.
So you take this cap off.
It's an 8mm. No, didn't.
I swear to God,
No, I did it.
And that's it. Thank you.
In the air vent in the back, there's a bolt in the back. I'm showing you how to get to that.
It hurt, yes. My shoulder's hurting.
All right, so you get the pry tool.
Push down. A minute and 12 seconds.
We got some tape on it, so it's because this place is fragile and it can scratch easily. So behind it, we'll see a bolt, and then that's what's holding by. It's a very hidden bolt.
Just working your way down.
The top. So you want to put the red tool from the top, and then all right, just like that. So you want to move the AC vent. Why should you pay attention when you show you how to do it? There you go. It just rolls right out, and then there's a bolt. We're gonna go all the way down. There's a bolt right there, towards the right. Yep. Hey, good job, Yasser.
This is thumbs up.
Alright, so you saw these hooks on the side. So you want to just bend one hook, not bend it, just see you want to latch one hook like that. Just do like that and it will come right down. Alright, so it's gonna be some big clips in the back. Alright, taking apart the rest of the headliner now, so I should just unclip. You can see the tech on the left knows what he's doing, the tech on the right is learning. So now the dome light, there's gonna be clips. See that? And there's gonna be top clips now. So now it's pretty loose. You wanna get these clips from here. So now let me show you the sky view of it. Yep. So this panel might be there. We're gonna store the light box, so we're gonna go ahead and pop it out. And then we'll show you exactly the bunch of clips.
Yeah, you just stick the red tool back here in the corner, then you literally just pull it out.
Just like that. You can see that it's clogged up. It's full of
Can you pull down there?
you can see that it's full of stuff, so the light box cannot sit here. Damn, there's a bunch of dust. So we're gonna do is go ahead and close it back up. And the second side, we did the exact same thing. We pulled the clips down. Same exact concept, but we can see that there's more room in these areas right here that we can hide the light box.
So we hid the light box in here. It's hidden down here. When you pull this out, like you saw earlier in the video, there's a cavity in there. We hid the light box in there, and the fibers are running up this panel right here. So the fibers are connected to the headliner from here. They run down, and then they connect to the light box down here.
All right, so we're about to take off the panel.
You shut up.
Are you retarded?
You shut up. I talk.
All right,
Okay?
go ahead. All right.
Everybody
Rental.
coming out.